Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're just going to address a couple things with the drop-in K&N filter, the foam being removed from the baffling, or even if you've removed your baffling from the air intake on the stock system. So let's get into the video. Alright guys, so the first thing that we want to address with the baffling in the stock air intake is one that baffling, to my knowledge, actually helps direct air and lessen like airflow turbulence when you have it installed, directing air into the inlet of the turbo. So if you remove that, if I'm not mistaken, I think it doesn't allow the air to get in there as efficiently, and also you end up creating like a step or a ledge where the two halves of the intake actually meet. So you create a step where the air doesn't flow evenly, and we'll show you that here in just a second. Up in the upper right hand corner, we'll put it up over here. And so that's one thing. So what you can do is you can leave that baffling in if you're not going to switch out the intake itself and get like an SMB or a Banks, and you can leave the baffling in and just take the foam off. This will give you a little bit more whistle or turbo sound if you would like, but it's up to you. You can leave it in or you can take it out. I take mine out just because over time I think that it could potentially cause some problems. Have I seen it yet? No. But I think, it's foam. It could deteriorate over time, a couple years, 5 years, what have you. The other thing that you can do is you can take the foam off of the baffling, install the baffling back into the intake, and then get yourself a K&N drop-in filter, which we'll show you again up in the upper right-hand corner right now. And that's what we've actually gone through and cleaned in one of our other videos, and it's supposed to give you something like, I want to say like 33% more airflow across that filter in the stock air box, and it's cleanable, and there's just a bunch of positives about it. So that's why we went and did it. But one question that I did have was about the actual like sound of it. So if you're looking for sound, yes, you'll get a little bit more on doing all these different things, but what you want is sound and efficiency. So if you can't get the sound and the efficiency, there's no real point in doing it, right? So this is just a short little video and a short clip of the way that we have it set up right now, how it sounds. It's a little bit noisier than the factory, but it's still using the factory actuator that's in there. It's using the whole intake system that comes on these trucks from the factory, and we're just adding the K&N filter. So here's a little short clip of what it actually sounds like, and we'll do it from takeoff and just normal driving.
right, guys, this will do it for the sound clip video with the foam removed from the baffling on the stock intake system on our Ram 2500. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button and you will get updated whenever we post new content. And we hope to see you guys back soon on some of our later content. Have a great one.